All right, a little late this evening, but Maximus analysis for April 9th, 2015. And we had pretty much a quiet day, but it's continuing to go up. We cannot lie that. We still have the lower highs in place. You could say, I'm not going to be a stickler and kind of go from here, but you could still see that, again, we want to make it break up, come down, and break back to the upside. But it still would be, we needed to break at least this 2090, and it got closed, 2090 area and this 2100 area, and give us some type of momentum to the upside. We haven't got that in a while. So again, if you're swing trading, it's probably more annoying than anything, but we did get some good movement on the NQ, which I'm showing right here. Again, I'll be rolling my stops up because, again, we still are not breaking above these previous highs. So we're still, if we have a turn sell signal, break up below, it would be something that would be a continued lower high. So we got to see some price action to give us some confirmation. And again, you have the same thing going on here. We actually don't even have you have lower, let me see if I can show you, the lower highs here, and you also have the lower lows here as well. But again, I'm just going to do this and probably that probably makes things a lot cleaner, but we need to break above these highs. IWM, small cap, again, just kind of just up there. Again, holding these levels, probably ran some stops, might go a little bit higher. We'll see what happens there. Apple, we have, again, a hard type of pretty much lower highs in place, higher lows in place. Just want to see where it's going to break and go from there. Amazon continue, just looks good. Again, the volume is anemic, but again, if it's going up on lighter volume, guess what? The options, they still pay you. Google gave a nice, again, reverse signal. Again, if you took the bounce immediately here, you had a lot of balls, but again, it's coming back down in. So we'll see a reverse intraday. I thought it was going to go down. We look at a 30-minute. I thought it was going to go break down. The sell signal was there, but then it rallied back pretty much right here. You could see kind of what's going on after market. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning and take it from there. We had GoPro. Some guys I trade with actually took some of that, so they scaled off. And again, I think the trend is continuing to go down, and if they made some money on it on the quick bounce, that's good. So again, that's not my trading style, but again, there's many ways to skin this cat, and you can see right now if it breaks down below, it's going to continue to the downside, and you can see the downside. The trend is clearly down. You had Goldman Sachs held the market up. Again, they're going to pump this one. They're going to pump BA, probably do Boeing as well. Yep. Typical stuff that they do. GM, I don't know. It doesn't really. It actually GM looks like it's going to be flagging for some more downside soon. So I would just keep my eyes on that. Tesla was up. But again, it's still starting to, the volume, after that one day, it's still starting to go down, and you can see it's in a defined downtrend. Even if you take this, which people will say, oh, look at this, like, look, it's broken above. Yeah, but it's still in a downtrend. So again, if it gave some type of flag and maybe some more upside, I would see, but I'm not gonna, get do too much of a happy dance for that. Yesterday we talked about this being could be a potential flag, and it looks like they're inside day. Look like they got them. I don't know where they're going to run this one to. We got to see what the weekly option, basically how they're going to make money on these weekly options and go from there. So we'll see how that one plays out. On the 30-minute, let's look at Twitter. Twitter, again, from this buy signal here, buy signal there, it's still legit, but again, I would be rolling my stops up because you're starting to see this volume die down. So again, we are in uncharted lands, or let's say a choppy type of movement. I mean, you can see this type of movement that we got going on. If they go to 2100, that's fine, but there's going to need to be, again, I haven't done swing trades in about a couple weeks because I haven't seen anything that's really doing really well, just day trading right now, and it pays well. I mean, I'm not going to be mad at it, but again, I do like having my swing trades on. So we'll see how this one plays out for tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Take care.